which means I've worked with many people suffering from thinning hair. So I've seen firsthand how their faces drop when they look down at big clumps of hair in the shower drain, sink, or hairbrush. I know about their constant battle trying to hide thinning hair with hats, hair pieces, or comb-overs. And worst of all, their constant fear of being humiliated in public when a gust of wind or other accidents expose their efforts to hide the thinning hair. All while some of their friends and family members their age still have the same haircuts they did in high school. It's so unfair, especially because women and men with thinning hair are being fooled by 3 shameful lies about what really causes hair loss. And believing these lies may be all that is standing between you and a full head of thick, healthy hair. Because the truth is, it is possible to regrow hair you've lost over the years. I have seen it happen time and time again. And no, you don't need expensive shampoos, weird space-age helmets, or invasive medical procedures. All it takes is a simple 7-second tweak to your morning routine. Then you too may be able to feel thick, healthy hair whenever you touch your head, and to walk out of the door every day with your head high, since you no longer have to worry about a humiliating incident that exposes your efforts to hide your thinning hair. Can you imagine how amazing it will feel? Because countless men and women have already been able to reclaim their youthful hair and their confidence too. Now, before I show you their eye-opening transformations, I do have to remind you everyone's body is different, which means you may see the same, worse, or even better results for yourself. But just take a look at these amazing photos to see what you too may be able to experience. Take Antonine, for example. Here's what her hair looked like before she found out about this simple 7-second solution for thinning hair. She even said,
I used so many different vitamins for my hair and none of them worked.
But now, just 2 months later, look at how much her hair has grown back. And she's not alone. Caleb also told me,
after being sick, I lost a good amount of my hair, and I was also stressed with college.
Here's what his hair looked like back then. Yet now, just 2 months later, he too has grown back a full head of healthy hair. Take a look.